You've been there, standing in that endless security line, watching one passenger after another get pulled aside for random searches while connecting flight boards without you. Meanwhile, seasoned travelers seem to glide through checkpoints like they have some secret pass. Well, guess what? They do know something you don't. Most travelers think airport security is just luck of the draw, that getting through quickly is random. That's exactly what airlines want you to believe. The truth is, there are specific strategies that can turn you from a security checkpoint victim into someone who breezes through like a VIP. These insider tricks could transform your next travel day from stressful chaos into smooth sailing. Let's dive in. 16. Never pack coffee beans. Most travelers think bringing coffee home as a souvenir is harmless. After all, it's just beans, right? Airlines won't tell you this, but TSA agents are specifically trained to flag coffee because its strong aroma can allegedly mask the smell of prohibited substances. When your bag goes through the X-ray machine, that innocent bag of Ethiopian blend triggers an automatic hand search. You'll watch helplessly as agents empty your entire carry-on, item by item, while your gate closes in the distance. Pro tip: pack coffee and check luggage or buy it after security. The few extra dollars beats missing your flight. Think that's the only innocent item that triggers delays? The next one will shock you even more. 15. Cheese appears suspicious on X-rays. Airlines keep this quiet, but cheese, especially aged varieties, appears bright orange on X-ray screens, making it look identical to organic explosives. That artisanal Gouda you're bringing back from Amsterdam? To security, it looks like a threat. TSA agents are required to physically inspect any orange-appearing organic matter, which means your bag gets the full treatment, causing delays that can stretch 15 to 20 minutes during busy periods. The smart approach: pack cheese in checked bags or place it in a clear container at the top of your bag and declare it up front. Tell the agent, "I have cheese that may need inspection." Pro tip: soft cheeses are even worse because they can't determine consistency through X-ray alone. But here's where it gets really interesting. The way you pack matters more than what you pack. 14. Strategic packing cuts security time. Here's something airlines hope you never figure out. TSA agents make split-second decisions based on how your bag looks on their screen. A chaotic, overstuffed bag triggers automatic hand searches, while organized bags sail through. The insider trick is the accessibility rule. Anything you know you'll need to remove should go in exterior pockets or on top. When agents can see clear organization, they're 70% more likely to wave you through. The magic phrase, "if selected for search, tell the agent, I have my electronics and liquids easily accessible on top." Pro tip: use packing cubes. The rectangular shapes look clean on X-ray screens, reducing hand searches by 60%. What if your outfit choice could be even more important? 13. Slip-on shoes signal experience. Airlines won't tell you this, but TSA agents immediately categorize passengers based on shoe choice, and it affects how they treat you. Slip-on shoes signal that you're an experienced traveler who understands security protocols. Lace-up shoes, especially boots, trigger different responses. You'll slow down the line, and agents often assume you're inexperienced and subject you to more scrutiny. The professional traveler uniform, slip-on shoes, minimal jewelry, and a plastic belt buckle. This combination sends a clear message: I know what I'm doing. Pro tip: keep a pair of comfortable slip-on shoes specifically for travel days. The time and stress you save are worth the investment. Think your outfit choices end with shoes? Just wait. 12. Elaborate hairstyles trigger pat-downs. This sounds crazy, but it's true. Elaborate hairstyles trigger additional pat-downs because agents are trained to check areas where items could be concealed. That beautiful updo you spent an hour perfecting could cost you 20 minutes at security. TSA protocols specifically mention piled or braided hair as requiring additional screening. What to do instead? Opt for a simple ponytail or wear your hair down on travel days. If you must have an updo for your destination, bring accessories in your carry-on and style it after security. Pro tip: if selected for additional screening due to hair, you can request a private screening area. But here's something that trips up even more travelers. 11. The 3-1-1 rule hidden detail. Everyone knows the 3-1-1 rule, but airlines don't advertise its most important detail. All your 3.4-ounce containers must fit in one quart-size bag, and that bag must zip completely closed. If it's bulging or won't close, you fail. Most travelers pack way too much in their liquids bag, forcing them to throw items away or repack at the checkpoint. The professional approach: use a clear Ziploc bag that's actually quart-sized and only fill it 80% full. This ensures it closes easily and signals you understand the rules. Pro tip: remember that toothpaste, deodorant, and lip balm count as liquids. If it spreads, squirts, or pumps, it goes in your liquids bag. What if there's something costing you time and money? 10. Pocket change costs millions. Americans leave behind over $1 million in loose change at security checkpoints every year. But it's not just about lost money. It's about time wasted fumbling through bins while your boarding group is called. Every coin in those plastic bins has to be accounted for, and digging through change while people wait marks you as unprepared. The smart solution: leave all pocket change at home or consolidate it into a small pouch in your carry-on. Your pockets should be completely empty at security. Pro tip: save that change year-round in a travel fund. You'll be amazed how much accumulates. Think loose change is the only money mistake? The next one flags you as suspicious. 9. Large cash amounts trigger questions. Carrying large amounts of cash, even legally, automatically flags you for additional questioning. There's no specific limit, but TSA agents are trained to report unusual cash amounts. Anything over a few $100s can trigger questions about where the money came from and why you're carrying it. The insider approach: if you must carry substantial cash, keep receipts showing where you got it, and be prepared to explain its purpose confidently. Pro tip: use a money belt rather than keeping cash loose. This shows you're security conscious, not hiding something. But timing your arrival can matter more than what you bring. If you've learned even one new thing so far, hit that like button. It helps other smart travelers discover these hidden secrets. And if you want more airline insider knowledge and senior travel hacks, make sure you subscribe and turn on that bell. 8. Pre-weigh bags before check-in. Airlines quietly love overweight bag fees because they're pure profit. But most major airports have scales near check-in areas that you can use for free before getting in line. The insider move is weighing your bags before approaching the counter. If you're over the limit, you have time to rearrange items without holding up other passengers or paying penalty fees. What to say? I've pre-weighed my bags to ensure they meet requirements. Pro tip: pack a lightweight duffel inside your suitcase. If overweight, create a second personal item and avoid fees entirely. 7. Snow globes are liquid containers. Snow globes are considered liquid containers and must follow the 3-1-1 rule. That innocent Christmas market souvenir contains more liquid than allowed in carry-ons, and TSA agents must confiscate it. No exceptions. Airlines don't warn you because they profit when you have to ship items home or buy new luggage to check an unplanned bag. The smart approach: always pack snow globes in checked luggage or ship them home separately. Pro tip: this applies to any liquid-filled decorative items, including floating pens and liquid-filled keychains. 6. Avoid Friday evening peak times. Friday evenings from 4 to 8 p.m. are brutal because business travelers head home while leisure travelers start weekend trips. The hidden sweet spots are Tuesday and Wednesday mornings before 10 a.m. and Saturday afternoons after 2 p.m. These windows can cut your security wait from 45 minutes to under 10 minutes. How to use this? Specifically avoid Friday evening departures unless absolutely necessary. Pro tip: download your airline's app to check real-time security wait times before leaving for the airport. quick pause before we jump into the next insider hack. If you've made it this far, you're clearly someone who takes travel seriously. And that is exactly who we make these videos for. So if you're finding these tips helpful, now's the perfect time to support the channel with a quick like and subscribe. It helps us keep uncovering the airline secrets they don't want you to know. And trust me, what's coming next might just change the way you move through airports forever. Let's keep going. 5. Find hidden security checkpoints. Most major airports have multiple security checkpoints, but passengers automatically head to the most visible one. The result? Massive lines at main checkpoints, while alternate checkpoints sit nearly empty. After check-in, don't follow the crowd. Look for signs pointing to alternate security or Terminal B security. The insider move. Ask any airport employee, where's the least crowded security checkpoint? They know exactly where to send you. Pro tip. Walking an extra 200 yards can save you 30 to 45 minutes in line. 4. TSA PreChecks hidden advantages. Everyone knows TSA PreCheck gets you through faster, but airlines don't advertise its best benefit. PreCheck lines are staffed by the most experienced TSA agents. These senior agents process passengers faster and are less likely to require additional screening. The time difference isn't just about keeping shoes on, it's about being processed by experts. How to maximize it? Move efficiently and keep documents ready. Agents expect you to know the drill. Pro tip. If the pre-check line is unusually long, you can opt for the regular line instead. Number 3. Premium class security access. Airlines don't advertise this because they want you to think premium benefits are just about bigger seats. The truth is, first and business class passengers get expedited security lanes at most major airports, even without pre-check. When you check in for premium class, look for special security lane access on your boarding pass. The insider approach. Factor in time savings when considering upgrades. Missing connections costs more than upgrade fees. Pro tip. Some credit cards offer complimentary upgrades that include security lane access. Number 2. Document organization marks professionals. Document organization separates seasoned travelers from amateurs. Airlines hope you'll fumble through bags because confused passengers often make last-minute purchases or miss flights. Professional travelers keep documents in dedicated travel folders with boarding passes and IDs immediately accessible. The magic setup. Keep ID and boarding pass in a clear document holder that stays in your hand from check-in to boarding. Pro tip. Take a photo of your boarding pass as backup. You can usually get through security with the photo and proper ID. Number 1. Online check-in's biggest benefit. Airlines promote online check-in but don't explain its biggest benefit. It lets you select seats, see delays, and sort meal preferences before leaving home. This eliminates stress from airport surprises. When you check in 24 hours early, you also get first access to available upgrades. The complete strategy: check in online, print your boarding pass, and screenshot it. Arrive knowing exactly what to expect. Pro tip. With carry-on only, online check-in means going straight to security, bypassing check-in counters entirely. Here's my question for you. Which of these secrets surprised you the most? Have you tried any of these strategies, or will you test them on your next trip? I'd love to hear about your airport experiences in the comments below. Don't miss our next video. 8 surprise airline rule changes catching travelers off guard. New airline and TSA rules are here, and they might ruin your trip. Remember, the best travelers aren't lucky, they're informed. These secrets level the playing field and give you the same advantages that frequent flyers have used for years. Like this video if it helps you, drop a comment sharing your own travel tips, and subscribe for more insider airline secrets that can save you time, money, and stress. And as always, travel smarter, not harder.